First, let us create the basic lip line. You can use any brush for this matter. Now, using the lasso fill tool, let us create the base of the lip. Delete the unwanted edges from the base. Let's proceed with the shading of the lips. First, reduce the opacity of the base layer. With the help of the lasso tool, fill in the lips. Keep in mind to create different layers for different shades. Here I am going from the lightest shade to the darkest. Next, with the help of airbrush normal under the eraser tool, I am going to erase the edges in order to blend in the color with the base of the lip. Continue the same procedure with other shades as well. Also, clip in each layer to the base layer. Next, create the highlights using dip pen bleed brush. Once you're done with the shading and blending part, you can play around with brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and you're done.